How to get your 8-digit backup codes for Discord. Discord 8-digit backup codes are a lifesaver if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app or your phone. They are one-time use codes that allow you to log in when your primary two-factor authentication method is not available. Important note, you must have two-factor authentication already enabled on your Discord account to generate these codes. If you don't have two-factor authenticator set up, do that first. Here's how to find and save them. Open Discord on your computer or mobile device, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the cogwheel or gear icon in the top right. In the User Settings menu, select My Account, scroll down the My Account page until you see the Two-Factor Authentication. Here, you will see an option labeled View Backup Codes. Click on it. You will likely be prompted to enter your Discord password for security verification. Discord will display a list of 8-digit one-time use backup codes. Immediately write these codes down physically and store them in a safe, private, and offline location.